Let's learn letter F. Let's learn letter F. Letter F sound F. Letter F sound F. F for frog. F frog. F flower. F flower. F fish. F fox. F fox. F family. F family. F frock. F frock. F four. F four. F fingers. F fingers. F five. F five. F fairy. F fairy. F fan. F fan. F fin. F fin. Let's start reading all the pictures. F five. Four. Fairy. Frog. Fingers. Fish. Fan. Frock. Flower. Fox. Fin. Family. Let's read once again. F five. Four. Fairy. Frog. Fingers. Fish. Fan. Frock. Flower. Fox. Fin and family.